After the Reserve Bank of India cut its repo rate by 75 basis points to 4.4% on Friday and announced other measures to tackle the economic impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted that the central bank had taken giant steps to safeguard the country's economy. RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das announced measures to expand the liquidity in the market, steps to reinforce monetary transmission, ease financial stress by relaxing repaying pressures, improve functioning of markets in view of high volatility experienced. In a major relief to the borrowers across the spectrum, the Reserve Bank of India permitted banks and allowed a moratorium of 3 months to the payment of installments in respect of all term loans outstanding as on March 1st, 2020. However, the decision on the rescheduling of home, auto and other loans will finally be taken and conveyed to customers by individual banks. According to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the total number of coronavirus positive cases in the country has risen to 724, including 66 cured or discharged persons and 17 deaths. The government maintains that there is no community transmission yet, even as stray cases come to light of people who have contracted the disease without any travel history. The government stressed this doesn't mean community transmission has started. Telugu Desam Party chief N. Chandrababu Naidu on Friday appreciated PM Modi for the timely package of Rs 1.75 lakh crores to frontline warriors, farmers and the poor to combat the economic disruption due to COVID-19. He said that the central government is humanity personified. At the same time, he requested for similar relief for the micro, small and medium enterprises industry. A Kerala IAS officer who had been under home quarantine since March 18th, has reportedly skipped the isolation and gone back to his hometown in Uttar Pradesh. An FIR has been lodged against Kollam Sub-Collector Anupam Mishra for slipping away. Strict action has been promised against the officer. Chief Ministers of West Bengal and Odisha appealed to the rest of the country to assist workers from the two states who are left with no livelihood during the lockdown. The centre took note of the SOS and asked states to help migrant labourers. Bihar announced relief measures of its own, and Jharkhand set up a team of IAS officers to coordinate its efforts. US President Donald Trump said he had a very good telephonic conversation with his Chinese counterpart Xi Jinping about the coronavirus that is rampaging across the world. He admitted China had gone through much and was going to help contain the virus. He ended the tweet with the words, "Much respect." In the United States, more than 83,000 people have tested positive for COVID-19, edging out Italy, which has reported the most deaths, and China, where the virus was first detected in December in Wuhan. More than 500,000 people across the world have now contracted the new coronavirus, and the global death toll stands at 23,293.